Okay, hybrid on off grid. This is best setup for me. Combination of features of on grid and off grid at the same time. No overloading when grid is present. On grid features takes place. If budget is not enough, you can set up temporary as on grid for daytime savings. And after that, when there is enough budget, you can set up battery storage. Capable in exporting extra power. Net metering can also use as off-grid. And then long warranty period, 5 years normally. High charging rate for large battery storage. Monitoring apps online. Can handle large capacity of solar panels. Can set time of usage and some features. Can monitor data based on apps. Costly, but I think it's reasonable. So hybrid on off-grid components, solar panels, then hybrid on-grid off-grid inverter. Ayan. And then yung ating battery storage, battery bank. And then optional, pwede tayong gumamit ng ATS or MTS. Hybrid on off-grid wiring. Ayan, lagay natin yung ating mga components. Solar panel, hybrid on-grid off-grid inverter. Ating battery bank, battery storage. Yung ating EPS, emergency power system or tinatawag na critical load. Yung ating utility power. Then yung ating normal load. So lagyan natin ng safety breakers, DC at DC SPD. Then lagyan natin ng AC breaker saka AC SPD para sa normal load. Battery breaker para sa ating battery bank. Okay, lagyan na rin natin ng AC breaker saka AC SPD para sa EPS. So wiring na tayo. Positive to negative from panel to breaker. And then from breaker to inverter. So PB, positive, negative. Then sa ating battery bank, battery storage. And then ito yung ating AC grid connected. Ito yung magsisync sa grid at saka sa inverter. And then converted na yung DC power to AC. So yan yung nagsisync. And then sa utility, lagyan natin ng power. And then lagyan na natin ng load sa critical EPS connected from AC breaker to AC SPD. And then lagyan na natin ng grounding. And then also yung ating city clamp, city sensor. So ilagay natin sa line side. O yan mga ka-solar, meron na tayong guide sa ating pag-setup ng ating solar hybrid on-grid off-grid. So pwede nating paulit-ulit panoorin or kaya i-print natin yung ating diagram para meron tayong reference sa ating pagbuo ng ating solar hybrid on-grid off-grid setup. And then yung sizing natin is to follow. Please panoorin natin yung ating mga susunod na videos. Maraming salamat mga ka-solar. Thank you.